This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. In the wake of COVID-19, we appeal to all listeners not to lower the guard, take all precautions, and all those above 45 years of age who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with the second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. National helplines are operational for providing COVID-related information and guidance to the people. The national helpline number is 011-239-78046 and 1075, and the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. The centre has decided to deploy a neutral force in the disturbed Assam-Mizoram border area along the National Highway 306 under a senior Central Armed Police officer. This was agreed during a meeting in New Delhi yesterday chaired by Union Home Secretary Jawaharlal. The meeting, which was attended by Chief Secretaries and DGPs of both Assam and Mizoram, lasted for over 2 hours. According to the Ministry of Home Affairs officials, both the sides also agreed to continue the discussion mutually to resolve the boundary dispute in an amicable manner. The ministry said that the central government is concerned over the Assam-Mizoram border dispute which led to violence and deaths, and the objective of the meeting is to lower the tension, bring peace and possibly find a solution. The Mizoram government has sought the centre's intervention to immediately reopen road and rail routes owned and maintained by the Government of India. Mizoram Home Secretary Lalbiak Sanghi, in a missive to Union Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla, said that the Silchar-Aizawl stretch of National Highway number 306 had been blocked by people on the Assam side at Kabganj in Barak Valley. No state agency, entity or the general public has any right to block national highways and railway lines restricting the movement of people and goods, the Mizoram Home Secretary said. Earlier, Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga has urged everyone to remain peaceful and refrain from any sort of violence. He also said that the Northeast will always be one. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma yesterday visited South West Khasi Hills district and inaugurated a number of developmental projects. He inaugurated a footbridge over SHILLONG River at Jashiar village and inspected houses constructed under the PMAY scheme. In another program, Sangma inaugurated the functional household tap connections at Mausde village covered under the Jal Jeevan mission. The Chief Minister also assured the people of the district that the NDA government is considering to turn the Mawphlang-Mokarwat road into an intermediate lane. The Chief Minister was accompanied by PHE Minister Renikton Lingdo, Tongkhar and other officials. On the occasion of World Hepatitis Day 2021, Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh launched the Model Hepatitis B Treatment Centers at the Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences and Regional Institute of Medical Sciences. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister said that the treatment of Hepatitis B and medicines would be made available free of cost at the Model Treatment Centers. He also distributed 10 portable X-ray machines and 20 multi-para monitors, consisting of 1 portable X-ray machine and 2 multi-para monitors each to the district hospitals in different districts of the state. The results of the Higher Secondary School Leaving Certificate HSSLC Science, Commerce and Vocational course conducted by the Meghalaya Board for Secondary Education will be declared tomorrow at 11 a.m. The results will be available in the official website of the NBOS, www.nbos.in. The results will also be available in the following website, www.megresults.nic.in, www.results.shiksha, www.jagranjosh.com and www.exametc.com. The Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority has informed that King Chili or Put Jolokia from Nagaland has been exported to London for the first time via Guwahati by air. The Scoville Heat Units has given the chilies the status of being the hottest in the world. The statement said that the consignment was sourced from Tening, Nagaland and was packed at an APEDA assisted facility. The chilies from Nagaland got a GI certification in the year 2008. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.
Bulletin.